Mastering the backhand in English and tennis. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that crosses the boundary between language learning and sports. Hitting a backhand. This phrase is not only vital for tennis enthusiasts but also for English language learners looking to expand their vocabulary and understanding of idiomatic expressions. So, let's get started and explore the depths of this fascinating phrase. Hitting a backhand refers to a specific type of stroke in tennis and similar racket sports. It involves swinging the racket around one's body on the backhand side, with the back of the hand leading the shot. This stroke can be executed with one hand or two, depending on the player's preference or the specific situation they are in during a match. The backhand is a fundamental skill in tennis, requiring technique, precision, and practice to master. In everyday English, hitting a backhand can be used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone tackles a challenge or issue indirectly or in an unexpected way. Much like the tennis stroke, this figurative expression implies a level of skill, subtlety, or strategy in handling situations. It's a testament to how sports terminology can enrich our language, providing vivid imagery to describe actions or tactics in various contexts. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples. In tennis, Roger Federer is known for his powerful and precise backhand shots, which have won him numerous points in critical matches. In everyday English, when the negotiations got tough, she was able to hit a backhand by proposing an alternative solution that satisfied everyone. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, highlighting its versatility in both sports and daily conversations. And there you have it, folks. Whether you're on the tennis court or navigating the complexities of the English language, hitting a backhand is a phrase that's worth adding to your repertoire. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations or while watching your next tennis match. Don't forget to practice, whether it's your English or your backhand swing. See you in the next video.